So you might be aware from objects and all, right? So you might have created some object, custom objects, and you might have knowledge of standard object and custom object, difference between that. And so today we are
Yeah.
going to see the flow of like full sales process. So that will go from the campaign lead, account, contact opportunity, and what is all of that, means what is the use of that. So why do we use all these things? Okay. Okay. So in this scenario, so what happened as real time, no? So generally we start from the campaign only. We'll start from the campaign only because in the campaign, so let's take an example as a real time example. Let's say you have some mobile phone which you are going to sell. So you are opened up one campaign for that mobile phone. Okay. You have opened a one campaign for let's say any Vivo or any MI mobile phone. You are saying, yeah, I want to sell, and let's say you want to sell some car, and you might be seeing there are lots of things. A person is doing a different thing to selling selling the products. Might be they are doing the campaign with mobile phone. They are doing some seminar, some webinar, and some like social media. They are taking help of social media and offline campaign. There are lots of things. So parallelly they are sending one link as well, so please go to this link and you will get this product. If you are interested, you will get this product from our site. Okay, these are these kind of things we are doing here. So let's say from this campaign, so I'm telling you sales process actually. In a sales force, the sales process. So generally customer is coming like in a campaign, let's say 1000 customer is coming to us like, and from our campaign 1000 in 1000 customer. So all customer, like all customer will not be satisfied, all customer will not be unsatisfied, right? So let's say out of 500 customer, like it's a 500 customer out of 1000. So 500 is saying, yeah, I'm interested to buy your product, so I want to pay money right away so I can like purchase your product. So any like remaining 500 customer is saying that we will think and we'll decide, we'll discuss with our family and we'll let you know, something like this, and I'll see my budget accordingly, and I'm about to get a money by tomorrow, day after that I'll get back to you. So this 500 it means we are getting this 500 customers. 500 customer means we are getting 500 leads. 500 leads. So you might be aware about credit card and all and call center, so all are saying like we got the 500 leads, and in a day I reached by 500 leads, so you can get an incentive, something like this kind of thing. So leads means you are getting 500 customers, 500 clients.
Sorry, I'm just asking the question. Out of campaign, the potential customers are leads, right?
Yes, right.
So first we'll create the campaign. So out of the who are all potential to take it up, they are called leads.
Yeah, this is a lead, this one.
Oh, those 500 customers are that leads.
Yeah, now as of now we have total like we have like 500 leads is converted to lead, so that we can say that is successful lead.
Okay.
And 500 is unsuccessful lead we have. In out of
Okay,
500, so if we'll keep this data in our database for future references and all, so we'll create some automation rule from the backend, and we'll send the emails to 500 customers on some daily basis or something like this. So if we'll do like this, so then might be 500 customer out of 500, 100 customer is satisfied. 400 is saying no, definitely I'm not interested in your product. But 100 customer is saying I'm totally interested in a product, I will come to you. So they also paid and paid the amount, and after that they came to us. So accordingly we started our business with total 600 customer we have as of now.
So now 600 is the successful lead and 400
yes,
is also.
400 is unsuccessful lead.
Okay.
In out of now total we have 600 leads. So now if we have 600 leads, then we will play with 600 leads data only. So now if it is interested, then what we will do here, so we'll convert all these lead in account contact and opportunity. Account contact opportunity data will not directly come to account contact opportunity. Data will come from the lead only. Okay, that is a like flow of this Salesforce. Now, what is your account? Account is nothing. That is company. That is company. Company means, let's say you are let's say someone is sending a laptop to your home for your work. Okay, any company. So then they will store your data in like a Blue Dart, and might be don't know what service, courier service in your place, but yes, let's say Blue Dart and something. So like they are keeping your data in their database, let's say that is Salesforce, and after that, like they are just storing the your company details as well, like from which company it is coming. Okay, so it is company means it is coming from, let's say it is TCS. It is coming from TCS only. Okay, so after that, whatever information, your full information that will be in this object, and that will both can be linked, like both details can be linked, that I will tell you later. In the contact means this your all information. Account is your TCS information. This one contact, this one account, this one account, this one contact. And in the company, like your full details will be stored in the opportunity for further like we'll say doing the business for the potential customer. Let's say potential customer, they someone is purchased our license, Microsoft license. We are selling the Microsoft license only. That is our product, we can say. So that Microsoft license is expired. Like some candidate purchased that one for 1 year only. Out of 600, total we had 600 at initial time. Who has like purchased the license. Now after 1 year, let's say it's 400 is again purchased, at 200 is also saying I'm not interested. Like total 600 data we will store in opportunity, and we'll follow up. We'll do the follow up for 600, and like 600, 400 is successful, then again 200 will follow up again. Might be they are more interested as compared to unsuccessful lead, right? Because they already had our customers, and we can give more benefit to them. Okay, so that is a real-time flow. And let me just show you the campaign. So in this campaign, generally it is campaign name, campaign is active or not, which type of campaign it is, webinar, trade show, it's a like any other social media and something, partner, referral, advertisement, something like this. Start date and date, what is the revenue of this, and what's the parent campaign, something like this. We'll create a campaign, and accordingly data will go there, and then we'll get a lead. So let's say I'm going to create one lead here. So lead name, I'm saying Padma. Don't know what's your name, but yes, I was saying so it's a various company. Oh, sorry, company.
Company, yeah.
Let me write here TCS only. Okay, TCS company, something like this. Let me write it. Okay, so lead source is coming from, let's say it is coming from website only. And what's the industry of this one? Let's say it's communication, it's construction, something like this. Or phone number, my phone number. If this is not a mandatory is red one only, but yeah, I'm just filling for the understanding purpose. No need if you that's not mandatory, no need to fill all these things. But yes, let me just say that is enough details. Now let's say this one is interested, and our lead status is also it is closed now, that is closed now, or something, it is working, someone is working, contacted or not. Let us someone is working. After that, if it is closed, it is going to convert, then we have this button here in the top, convert button. After that, it is asking us like account, contact. Now we were discussing about lead only. Let me show you again. So this is my lead. I'm not refreshing this page again. So first I will convert this one, then I will refresh this one. So what I did now, let me show you again. I clicked on the convert button only. Now it is asking like, do we need to create an opportunity or not? If we don't want to create, then we'll click on this one. If you want to create, then we can create on this one. Okay. So let me just click on convert button here. Account contact opportunity. See, now automatically it came in account object. Okay, account object. If I'll go to under the account in TCS company, under the TCS company, who is working is a construction, a phone number, everything is came from lead to account. Now let me just check. Oh, who's a contact? Oh, Padma is a contact. Okay, so we'll check the Padma then. Is a contact under the company. Like who is working under this company? Padma is working under this company. Okay, which opportunity is there? Like we can get a which kind of opportunity which we have here. So we have a TCS company. TCS company is our opportunity which can be success in future. That is our potential customer as of now. So now this is my like a TCS company linked with Padma. Okay, so if I'll go to opportunity, who is company for this, who's contact, something like this. This is my company and this is my opportunity actually converted from lead only, right? So means lead is mandatory. From lead we can, oh sorry, I deleted one second. This is my lead now, so let me refresh this lead. Now it is saying converted lead. Now we are not able to see any data of the leads here. It is saying Padma, TCS and company, and these three opportunities created. Oh, sorry, three account contact opportunities created. Okay.
Okay.
That is the thing. That is a flow actually. And in opportunity, so what generally happen, opportunity is very important in the sales process actually. Let's say this is my TCS company. So we are dealing again with TCS company and we'll say, okay, what you are thinking, what you are thinking and what is your close date. Dealing close date is a dealing close date. Let's say dealing close date is, we can say we are considering as September 30th. This is a dealing close date, and which kind of, it's a existing customer. This is our existing customer, upgrade, replacement and downgrade, or new customer is coming there. Okay, got it from this type. Who is already our customer, like we converted from lead to account contact opportunity. We are working with account contact only, but again we want to contact that person. Like contact that person means license is, let's say they are not interested now, they are not paying the money on the license base, so we are contacting them.
Okay.
Or any other like, or else we are following, like we are doing the follow up to them again for purchasing more product. Let's say someone is doing B2B, like business to business, not business to customer. B2B if they are doing, so like we are more interested, like they might they might be interested to purchase more product if we'll give some more benefit to them, right? So we'll try to follow up them, like we'll say, yeah, so this thing you can do, yeah, this thing you can do, like some upgrade, some replacement, some downgrade. We are giving the we are telling the whatever things is going on, so we can track everything. So here whatever the thing main thing is, that is stage, you know, as a real time. If you'll go to market, if you'll go to one simple shop, first what will you say to them? Okay, if they will tell you, yeah, this product is in 1000 rupees, so you will say, no brother, so that is, please keep it like around 800. So they will say, you will see the quality, right? First directly you will not negotiate the price. First you will see the quality, some qualification you will check. You will use that product on the shop itself, and then you will say, yeah, this product seems okay, so please tell me the price. They will say, yeah, this is the price. So you will say, okay, no, my friend is saying it was in 800, so please do it, like something like it. It's a, yeah, finally you can like, not yours, not mine, it's 900 only. So something like this we can negotiate. So same thing will happen in real time as well. So in the opportunity, so first they will do the qualification with that product, then we'll get need analysis, value proposition and decision maker. You will take the decision and all perception analysis, price quotation. You will ask then you will do the negotiation and review, like whatever the product you have. Then finally, if customer or shopkeeper is not like happy, finally we have two options after all these things. It can be closed won, it can be closed lost. Closed lost means you are client, like customer is not satisfied or shopkeeper is not satisfied. Might be a reason, can be anything. Okay, let's say now successfully it is closed won, and parallelly your probability will also be increased. It is for tracking purpose. Let's say probability is at 10% only. Now it is increased by qualification, need analysis. So it is 20%. Now customer is interested in our product at 20%. We'll say value proposition. It's a 50%. It's a like slowly it is increasing. That's a negotiation. It's a 90% customer is interested. Finally, we'll say it's a closed lost, then it will be 0%. If we'll say it's a closed one, that it definitely it came to us again. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that is a thing, that is a flow. And apart from the whatever the forecast and all these things, we'll tell you later. Okay, we'll discuss later. So that is very important things. You always will work in the account lead and campaign. You might skip in a few companies, but account contact opportunity is also somehow you can skip. Like if that is related to like some companies doing this kind of selling work, and some companies doing the like directly getting a data from third party only. If they are getting a data from the third party only, integrated technology, that time they will work with account and contact. Means account contact is very important. If two both are like, apart from all these object, two are very important apart from this account contact. So there are lots of custom object that is also important, which you will create for you as per your need. Okay, means account contact is very important. Opportunity you should know. Lead and campaign also you should know. Opportunity is also very important. I'll say it's 100% important, it's 90% important, it's 60% important, it's 20% important, I'll say. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's move to our lightning experience. Okay, in this lightning experience, so generally this is my opportunity. Okay, this is my opportunity. In this opportunity, so let's say it's my TCS company. So this is my indicator, like the stage indicator you are able to see in the top. So that is telling us like which stage you are now. Like it's prospecting, it's qualification, it's a need analysis. So like you can track the things from easily, like you don't need to go inside the details, and you don't need to go inside that and what is it and how to make this one and all, like what is the percentage, and you directly will go on the top. You will see clearly it is saying, yeah, this is the stage now. This is a stage now. Let's say I'm saying negotiation. It's 100% now. I'm marking as a it's 90% now, right? Automatically. If I'm making it like some price negotiation and all, it will be 75% automatically changing, right? Finally, if I will say closed, so it will say closed won or closed lost. Closed won or closed lost. Let's say it's
One.
won. So it will be 100%. Okay, you can track the things from there on directly. Or similarly, if you want, let's say some flower activities there. Flower means, let's say you are working with some trailhead or something like this. So finally, if it is like finally you get a success, some flowers is coming from the top. Like we can say congratulations on the Facebook. If you are writing congratulations and comment, so you will get some flowers, right? Something like this. So all these things also we can do here. So how can we do it? So we have sales process. is a path setting actually. That is main is path setting. We are clicking on new path. Okay, let's say I'm writing anything here. So I'm choosing the object is a opportunity. Opportunity is stage, because our opportunity is, this is my stage. Okay, this one, like this is stage. So I want it should be closed one, then it should be flowers. So I'm going to next. Closed one. Enable celebration, active your path. One second.
Actually, you're too fast and I couldn't understand some things.
Okay,
Mm,
I'll go slow then.
actually, it's not about the. I just want to show you one thing regarding my home screen. Actually, I'll just show you.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
So this flowers is coming.
Hmm.
Yeah, something like this will come. So like you can go from path setting and you can like mark as like it's a closed one or something like this.
Where is the path setting actually?
In a quick find box, always you will get this setting in the quick find box only. It's in the quick find, like you will go to setting and you will go to setup, and from that setup, so you will be able to see uh, path setting.
Okay. Um.
Yes.
I just want to share my screen, and I don't know how to do that actually. I couldn't do, actually I